Welcome to our explainer on mobile device management, or MDM. What exactly is it, and why is it essential for your business? MDM provides a unified, secure platform for organizations to manage and maintain all their company-owned mobile devices. Mobile device management is fundamentally a way for organizations to securely manage company devices from one central platform. Why do organizations use MDM? It boils down to three key functions: securing devices, configuring settings, and monitoring compliance. Specifically, MDM helps IT teams secure devices, apply necessary settings, install required apps, and monitor compliance across every company device. Now let's look at the basic technical steps of how mobile device management operates. At its core, the MDM admin console acts as the central command center, connecting directly to all enrolled devices. The MDM platform sends policies and configuration settings out to the devices, and in turn, the devices report their status and compliance levels back to the console. Before devices can be managed, a few crucial elements need to be set up within the MDM system. To get started, you'll need the MDM platform itself, a dedicated administrator account, and a comprehensive set of security policies defined. You also must define the device enrollment method and pre-configure all necessary application and profile settings that devices will receive upon connection. How exactly does a device transition from an unmanaged state to a fully controlled endpoint? Devices connect to MDM through an enrollment process. This is often initiated using a QR code scan, a direct enrollment link, installing a company app, or a management profile installation. The moment enrollment is complete, the device automatically begins receiving the pre-configured security and configuration policies. Let's explore the range of rules and settings that MDM can enforce and manage. These policies cover critical items like enforcing strong password rules, configuring Wi-Fi access, controlling which apps can be used, and setting device restrictions. MDM is not a one-time setup. IT teams continually manage devices by pushing essential updates and removing any apps identified as risky or non-compliant. In the event of a lost device or an employee departure, MDM provides crucial security controls, allowing IT to remotely lock the device or selectively wipe corporate data to prevent security breaches. To summarize, MDM is the necessary bridge between mobile flexibility and corporate security. Mobile device management keeps company devices not only secure, but also fully manageable from a unified platform. By adopting MDM, organizations gain a simple and robust way to protect sensitive company data across their entire fleet of mobile devices.